My journey as a caregiver of a loved one with mental illness was kind of fraught with uncertainty, not knowing what was happening, isolation and confusion. And the system is really works against many people, I have to honestly say. My name is Lynne Malloy, and I'm a caregiver of a loved one who lives with bipolar illness and generalized anxiety disorder. The mental health system is complex, to say the least, and it is incredibly difficult to manage and navigate, especially when you're in an emotional crisis. It was really a struggle. I wanted to help my family member, and I just didn't know how. I didn't know where to turn to. And there were some really tough times. There's so much stigma. We didn't understand what was happening. Didn't really know what type of services existed. And I had another family member who suggested that I reach out to an organization called NAMI. And that honestly started to kind of turn the corner for us as a family, as well as my loved one. It helped us in our journey to really kind of feel empowered to understand and learn about what it means to live with mental illness and that recovery is possible. It really gave us strength and support, and probably the biggest portion of that, I would have to say, is connection. It's very hard for anyone who goes through this journey to feel like they're going through it alone. And, NAMI gave us that kind of family and a place that we could turn to safely when we were struggling ourselves on how to help our family member, and just on what resources existed, how to advocate. And I don't know where we would be without NAMI. NAMI is an organization of people that is there to help you through that time, and they can help you with the resources. They can help you learn to advocate. They can tell you who to call, and they can hold your hand when it's just so frustrating. NAMI has taught me that everybody needs a seat at the table. We should all be in this together, whether you're a person that lived with mental illness, whether you're a family member or an individual. All of the decisions that need to be made, all of the advocacy needs to work as a united front, and we need to include everybody in the seat at that table, whether it's reforming any type of services, communicating to our legislators. We all need a seat at that table, and we all need to work together for the cause. The greatest victory for me has been really learning to appreciate my loved one, because I didn't honestly understand the struggle that they were going through. And as I've been through this journey, I've gone from confusion and fear to really one of admiration, because their struggle and their recovery is really an act of bravery. And I can appreciate that through what I've learned at NAMI and working with their providers and just understanding everything that it is that they go through. And I'm so thankful that I've had that perspective. Something that happens at NAMI is you come in and you're lost and you're feeling alone. And what happens as people embrace this organization and group of people is they move forward and pay that back. And it is so incredibly transformational and empowering to them, as well as the people that they end up helping. And it's truly just amazing.